Ever tried capturing a perfect moment with your phone, only to miss it because your hand shakes, your grip slips, or the angle just feels awkward? Most people don't realize how much they're losing until the shot is gone. Blurry photos, unstable videos, and uncomfortable hand strain can quietly ruin your content, whether you're filming travel memories, TikToks, or even simple everyday moments. And over time, it makes shooting feel more frustrating than fun. That's exactly where the TELESIN magnetic phone camera shoot hand grip changes the game. This isn't just a phone holder, it's a full shooting control system built around comfort, stability, and smarter mobile photography. With its magnetic attachment system, you can securely mount your phone using a magnetic ring that installs on your case and needs about 2 hours to fully set. Once connected, the ergonomic WaveFit 9-finger spacing and Palmar 45 curvature design naturally fits your hand, so shooting feels steady and effortless. The Bluetooth remote control lets you shoot, zoom, switch modes, and access the camera without touching your screen. A detachable remote and one-handed control system make it even more flexible, while the horizontal and vertical switching keeps your content ready for any platform. It also includes a dual-sided magnetic fill light with adjustable color temperature, helping you shoot clearly in low light or indoors. The silicone anti-slip surface adds grip and scratch protection, and the included lanyard gives extra security on the go. Whether you're vlogging on the streets, filming travel clips, or just capturing family moments, it feels like having a mini handheld camera rig built into your phone. Compatible with iPhone, Huawei, Xiaomi, Oppo, Vivo, and select Samsung setups, it also comes with ABS, PC, and aluminum alloy construction, weighing around 109 to 150 grams with a compact folded size of 100 millimeters. If you're serious about upgrading your phone photography without carrying bulky gear, check the link in the description before it's gone.